Struggling with tax forms? You're not alone. Let's simplify your 1099 filing with Form 1099online.com. First, head over to form1099online.com. Sign up or log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Import tab at the top. Select 1099 forms from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see an option to upload your 1099 forms. Click Browse and choose your file. Make sure your file is in the right format. CSV or Excel works best. After uploading, double-check your data. Form1099online.com will automatically map your fields, but it's always good to give it a quick look. Now click Import. You'll get a confirmation message if everything looks good. If there are any errors, the system will highlight what needs fixing. Finally, review your imported forms. If all is correct, you're ready to submit. And that's it. You've just integrated your 1099 forms with Form1099online.com. Easy, right? For more tips and guides, visit Form1099online.com.